Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we review the best products on the market. Today, we have something for all the food enthusiasts out there. If you love instant noodles, you're in for a treat. We're diving into the world of Indomie Instant Noodles, and trust me, this is the best ramen you can get your hands on. Some text goes here so. What makes Indomie Instant Noodles so special? Well, let's start with the basics. This is not your ordinary instant ramen. Indomie has been a household name in many parts of the world, and it's not hard to see why. These noodles are packed with flavor, and today, we're going to uncover all the delicious details. Before we dive into the taste test, let's take a closer look at the product. Indomie offers a variety of options, but we're focusing on their stir-fry ramen with spicy flavor. It's halal certified, making it suitable for a wide range of diets. You can get these noodles in different pack sizes, from a convenient 20-pack to a bulk 40-pack. So, whether you're stocking up or just want a quick meal option, Indomie has got you covered. Now, let's talk about the history of Indomie. These noodles have come a long way since the 1970s when they started. They're made from carefully selected ingredients, including high-quality flour and fresh spices sourced from Indonesia. That's what gives them their unique and delicious taste. Indomie offers a wide range of flavors, from the classic mi goreng to barbecue chicken, satay, hot and spicy beef ribs. They even have classic flavors like special chicken and chicken curry, perfect for those who prefer their noodles with broth. So, what exactly is Indomie mi goreng? It's an instant noodles product line made by the Indofood company, the world's largest instant noodle manufacturer. Mi goreng means fried noodle in Indonesian, and that's exactly what these noodles are. Stir-fried to perfection with soy sauce, oil, and seasoning. Mi goreng is inspired by the traditional Indonesian dish called mi goreng, a favorite among the locals. You can find street vendors selling it all over Indonesia, and it's considered a common and beloved food. Let's talk about packaging. Each pack contains all you need for a delicious meal. You get the noodles, the seasoning powder, sweet soy sauce, and chili sauce. It's everything you need to create an authentic and flavorful Indonesian noodle dish. Before we get to the taste test, here are some key details you should know. The product is halal certified, and it's labeled to United States standards. It contains wheat, soybean, and sesame products, so keep that in mind if you have any allergies. Now, let's talk about what others are saying. Indomie has received rave reviews from customers worldwide. With a 4.7-star rating and over 21,000 ratings, it's safe to say that people love these noodles. Customers praise the delicious taste, the convenience, and the value for money. Whether you like it spicy or mild, Indomie has a flavor for everyone. Alright, it's time for the moment we've all been waiting for, the taste test. We're going to prepare these Indomie instant noodles and see if they live up to the hype. Stay tuned for the mouth-watering results. That's a wrap for today's review of Indomie Instant Noodles. If you want to know how these noodles taste and if they truly are the best instant ramen, make sure to subscribe to Product Critique. And hit that notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming taste test video. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next episode.